Hello there, Internet. My name is Adam, and somehow this channel keeps getting subscribers. I don't really know how, since I don't post too much on here anymore, and I actually think I've had this channel since I was like 13 years old. Nowadays, I have new projects and new YouTube channels for them. Mostly, I'm working on Powerbelt 3D, and if you're at all interested in conveyor belt 3D printing, I hope you would go and subscribe to that channel since I tend to post more over there. The other thing I wanted to mention real quick is that I've been working on a brand new project that I haven't talked about publicly yet. I started a podcast, and so far I've interviewed just a handful of people, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. In just a second, I'm going to give you a taste of what you can expect from this new podcast, and if you enjoy it, I hope that you will go and subscribe to the 3D Print Authority YouTube channel. I'm hoping to have new episodes once or twice a week, still figuring that out a little bit, and once we get all the approvals, we'll be on all the major podcast networks also. Until next time, happy printing.
If I can design something and create something practically out of nothing, that's completely revolutionary.
Was this entirely bootstrapped, self-funded? Because from my experience, building 40 of something is a lot harder than building one.
In the morning, I was taking some summer classes, and after that, I would go and I would work, my job at the 3D printing lab until dinner time-ish. Go home, make some dinner, and I would come back from the lab from like 8 p.m. until like 2 a.m. and do it all over again.
A lot of the manufacturing of filament was from weld rod.
Okay.
So, the tolerances weren't really that high. They weren't really that great. And I'm certain there were probably some other companies emerging that were doing it, but at the time that wasn't that easy to find. So
we kind of honestly have a typical started in a garage kind of story, which sounds kind of ridiculous, but that's really how it happened.
What I think we all just saw was my brain breaking, thinking about this incredible future where digital manufacturing has this explosive, innovative effect